C850 removable charging rack. Remove the cover on this one. When this nail is turned up, then pull it out. And then this one has 2 screws in it. Remove and take off the cover. And then there's a screw in here. Screws are loose. Then take this cover off. And knock this lock off. When it's done, turn this over again. Open it and turn it to this position. This one has a red and a blue plug. Just pull it out. This red one, a car pinch fastener. Then pull it out. Pinch it down and then pull it out. Always remember to press down a little on this plastic box. You can pull it out now. Pull it out along the chute or track. The electrolytic wire in here has to be clean. And then load it the same way. It's also loaded down the chute. Push down the chute. And then all the way to the end. Then plug it in again. Then just put it back in place.